Well, here we have my homemade engine stand, which I built over quite a few years and added to it. I had bought one, but I was tired of it, and it was very flimsy, and I could not trust it really. So I built my own here, and I've been adding to it over the years. Like I say, originally I just had a crank on it in place of the gearbox on here, and I found when I had a large or heavy motor on here that once it got over center, it could basically almost rip it out of your hand and break your hand. So then I added a gearbox, which you can see right here, and I just had a hand wheel on the gearbox instead. And then I decided to motorize it with a gearbox from an old battery-powered drill. And I have a pin in here which you can remove and lock it into position if you want to. So you remove that, and then come over here, and I have it powered by nickel metal hydride batteries right now, rechargeable. And just press the button on here, and as you can see, the whole head is rotating. And you can go the other direction. Certainly something I never really needed, but it's just something fun to play with. And I made this mount for on here for working on air compressors or whatever I may want to work on. That also just slides right out of the headstock there. And the shaft that supports this is actually a truck axle, forged truck axle. And then I used a ring gear from a starter and motor and just shrunk it onto a plate. But anyhow, the whole plate assembly will just pull out straight forward if I didn't have everything on there. And or you could just unbolt the plate and take the plate off and then just put your arms on for mounting an engine. So anyhow, this is just something neat to play with. And the legs, by the way, actually just slide in and out. The casters slide out the bottom, and you can pull the T-bar out the front and slide the other one out the back. And it's very convertible. Like I say, the head just slides out, and you can break it down into a small package, so it's easy to take around. So here's just a few of the other items I'm working on right now. Kind of like messing around with air compressors. I'm in the process of rebuilding 3 of them right now. And here's another project that I made, a hoist, the trolley and everything. I made both of these trolleys for on my I-beam here, hoping to build a new garage this next year, which I can put them up there then. So anyhow, this is some little neat stuff I play with.